Welcome friends to Excel beginners and advanced tips. Friends, today I am trying to build a software that will manage a retail shop. Friends, here I have taken the reference of a grocery shop and you can see the item code here and items here and the rate of respective items. And now friends, I want to manage the front office of this grocery shop with a software created in Excel VBA. So friends, let's see the software first. This is our form friends, and I have given the name ABC Grocery Shop Retail Management. Here I have taken some controls, text box control, combo box control, and frame here you can see, and some command buttons and list box also. And friends, let's see the software that how is it is working. This is the software friends. Here you can see the combo box. If I click here, all the items will be displayed in the combo box from our item master, that is our sheet 1. And if I click any item, see friends, the rate or unit price is being displayed here, that is 10, and product ID is being displayed on the top, that is 1. And if I give quantity 2 and try to add button, and press the add button, see friends, the amount is being displayed here, and the detail, that is ID 1, item rice 250 gram, quantity 2, rate 10 per unit, and amount 20. Again friends, you can see in the total price section in this text box, it is being displayed the total amount of the item sold. Again friends, I am choosing another item from our list box, that is sugar. Say sugar. You can see the product code is, the product ID is 2 and rate is 11, and quantity, if I give it here 3, add, see the total price has become 53 for these two items. Again, if a customer want to buy more items, like say soybean, and quantity 2, and giving the and pressing the add button here, see the total price is being increasing for the 3 items. And if any customer wants to and if the customer wants to buy another item, that is tea leaf, and say quantity 4, add, see friends, total price is being increasing, and for these 4 items the customer need to pay 165 rupees. And friends, you can see the items is being displayed in the list boxes here. And now friends, if the customer want to don't want to take any of the items, the quantity will be decreased accordingly. So let's see friends, let's take this customer don't want to take sugar, that is sugar 33 rupees, quantity 3, rate 11, and it is 33. Just select this item and cancel it, and see friends, 33 rupees will be deducted from the total price section. Thus friends, we can get we handle the front office of any shop. Here I have taken the grocery shop as for instance. Now friends, I want to show you how this has been coded for the upper section. Then I will show you the preview and today's sale section. Let's see first the upper section coding, and I am trying to analyze this coding. Just refresh this and going back, see the coding section here. Here is the coding section, friends. The coding section, I have divided this coding section into few steps, say as step 1 to step 9. You will find step 9 steps here. I have tried to write the codes in the most easiest manner. So friends, just analyzing these codes here. First, friends, give emphasize on this section first. Here, friends, sheet 1, I want to take the items to be added in our combo box. That is, here you can see here you can see, friends, this is our combo box. This is our combo box item, and the product and the items will be automatically added from this column. All items will be automatically added and in our combo box. And for this, friends, I have written the codes in the initialize event. So friends, I have written I have taken a tot row variable, that is total row of sheet 1. This is the total row of sheet 1. I have written this code many times in my last videos. So just again I am explaining this. Sheet 1 dot cells rows dot count 1 dot end excel up dot row, that will calculate the number of rows where the record or data is existed, and it will be kept in tot row variable. And again I am taken a for loop here and taking a variable x, and it will start from 2. That is the second row of our sheet 1. That is this sheet, item master. That is this sheet and tot row, and then combo box 1 dot add item is as item add item sheet 1 dot cells x comma 2. That means as many as items will be in our item master, that is this sheet will be added automatically in our combo box. So friends, just going to our form here, friends, you can see here, you can see all the items have been added with the code, with the help of this code. Going back to the coding section and initialize section, you can see this is the code for adding the items in our combo box. That is adding the items from the sheet 1 in our of the column 2, sheet 1 column 2 of the combo box. And here, friends, I am here written the code here. Sheet 2 dot activate, this will be, and this will be, I think it will be better to analyze this code after few minutes, because all the items will be added into sheet 2, and as soon as the our program as soon as our form will be loaded, all the items will be cleared and will be ready for taking a fresh bill. And it will be I will explain this little later, friends. Just this is the primary thing, to add the items in the combo box. And then again I am moving to step 2. Here, friends, combo box change, you can see here, if I click here, the respective rate and product ID is being displayed. And for just click the combo box here to see the codes here, friends. And change event, I have written this total sheet 1 dot cells rows dot count 1 end excel up dot row. This will hold the total number of rows of the sheet where data is existed. And here I have taken a for loop, j is equal to 2 to tot row if combo box 1 dot value if combo box 1 dot value is equal to sheet 1 dot cells j comma 2, because j comma 2, that means the second column of second row of sheet 1. If this is equals to this value, then text box dot 6 dot value will be sheet 1 dot cells j comma 1, because that means our j comma 1, that means our first column, that is our item code. You can see here, friends, this is our item code. Here the first column item code, and the third column is j comma 3, that will be our rate for codes for items. And thus when I choose any items, it will display the item code in the text box 6 dot value and LBL price dot caption, because I have taken a label here to display the third column of the sheet 1, that is the rate of the selected items. Here, friends, you can see here this. Now see, just click here, see simultaneously the rate and product ID will be is being displayed. Rate 11, product ID 2. And then, friends, now moving to our third step, here is add button. Click on add button. I have divided these steps into few more steps, that is 3, 4 and 5 in this section. Here, friends, to add items in sheet 2, here you can see I want to calculate the blank row of the sheet 2 with this line of codes, and everything is similar to the previous code that will calculate the total number of rows, and just I have given a offset command to go to the next blank row of the existing of the cell after where the data is existed. Here that will the pointer will move to the just immediate blank row of a sheet. Here I have taken sheet 2, and I want to preserve the value in sheet 2. This column, in the first column I want to preserve the value text box 6 dot value, that means item code. Here you can see in the form, and combo box 1 item names, that will be second column of sheet 2, and text box 5 dot value, text box 5 dot value. You can see here some text boxes here, product ID and LBL price, and this is quantity. Text box 5, you can see the name, and text box 4. Friends, I did not change the name of these controls. You can also change the names of these controls as for your better comprehension. So friends, just moving to add button here, and you can see the text box 5, that is our unit, and LBL price dot caption, that is our price of each product, that is previously already kept in our item master, and the total price is equal to the value of quantity, that is text box 5 dot value, that is quantity, and LBL price dot caption, and this will be our column 5th of text box 2. This will be kept. And friends, thus I have written the codes here to keep the values or to keep the fields which will be added to that sheet 2 of our project. And after this I want to clear this quantity and this code and this item code here. These text boxes will be cleared for better view. Friends, I have cleared this. And step 4, again to add items. So first step, to add items in sheet 2. I have several times I have written this code to add to how to add in a sheet with a user form. So this is the same code, friends. And in step 4, add items in our list box. Here I have taken a list box, and it has 5 columns, and list box dot column with 25, and list box and equally 25, and its width will be 25, so that the columns will be equally stretched. And list box one dot add item. Here I want to add item in our list box. When I click on add button, the first column of list box, that is this index, that means column index is 0, column index is 2 for the second, column index is 2 for third, column index is 1 for second, and 2 for third, and 3 for fourth column of the list box, and 4 for fifth column of the list box. And this will be assigned the value of these. That means the first column of our sheet 2, that is our item code, and then the second column of our sheet 2, and the third column of our sheet 2. You can see the sheet 2 here. Here you can see code, item name. This is the second column, and this is the third column, quantity, and this is the fourth column, rate, and this is the fifth column. So all the items will be entered, will be added to the list boxes here in the respective columns of the list box. The column of the list box starting from column index is starting from 0 to 4. That means here it is the fifth column list box, 5 column list box. And now moving to step 5, to get the running sum of price of all items in our list box. Friends, here I have taken a variable I as long, and for I is equal to 0 to user form 1 dot list box 1 dot list count minus 1. That means the total number of items in the list box, it will start from 0 to the total number of items minus 1. And me means this user form, a list box 1 dot selected I is equal to true, and then it will selected all the items of list box. And then here I have taken a variable m, and m is equal to m plus the value of the fourth index. That means the fourth column of the list box of our fifth column. Actually index 4, that means the fifth column, that means the amount column 4. Index 4 means column index 4 means 0 to 4, that is fifth column of our list box will be added. So, and it will be the running sum, that it will be kept in m variable, and it will be running sum. And for this I have added this value with m again, that will be added to m, and it will also be kept in m. So here this the running sum will be achieved. And now friends, text box dot 4 dot value is equal to m, that means the total price. This text box will be assigned the value of m. So friends, now you can see the adding portion code coding, and moving to the next portion, friends, that is if I want to cancel this, cancel button here friends, just see the cancel. I have taken a variable x, and list box 1 dot list index. I want to cancel the list index, that means one by one will be cancelled, and list box 1 dot remove item is equal to x, that the list index will be removed here, and it will decrease one by one. And to get running sum here, after cancelling, friends, I also need here to get the running sum in our total price, and the same coding has been done here, like addition. Same coding here, you can see m is equal to m plus has been converted into value number. That means the m plus val m dot listbox 1 dot listbox 1 dot list index 4. That means the fifth column, that is the price column of listbox, and it will be kept in list and text box 4, that is our total price text box. And here you can see, friend, to delete required record from sheet 2 also, if I delete any record from our list box, that will be also deleted from the sheet 2 also, because I kept the records in sheet 2. Simultaneously it will be deleted from sheet 2. As soon as I delete it from the list box, this will be deleted, also deleted from our sheet 2. And friends, you can see this is the coding section. Total rows, sheet 2 dot sales, total number of rows here is assigned to total row, and for a is equal to 2 to total row, if sheet 2 dot sales a comma 1 is equal to val text box 6. Here, friends, I have tallied the text box, the text box 6, the value of text box 6. That means our product ID, if the product ID is equal to the value of sheet 2 dot sales, if it is found in the first column of sheet 2, the product ID, if matches, here you can see the product ID, friends. Here the product code which will be entered after adding, if any product ID, if the product ID which I will need to cancel, if matches, then it will be deleted. Then that will be selected first. The product the total, the rows, entire rows will be selected first, and the selection of selection dot entire row dot delete. That means the row, selected row will be deleted, and if and next. So friends, this is our cancellation program. This is our any cancellation this is for our, this is the coding for cancellation of any items from the list box. And friends, here you can see the refresh button here. To refresh this, I refresh, here this is the code, text box 4 dot value is equal to null. Every text boxes will be, and the caption and the combo box value will be null, and the text box 6 will be null, for the better look. Friends, I have cleared the value of these items. And again, friends, sheet 2 dot active sheet, and it will be and the sheet 2 will be activate, sheet 2 dot activate, and sheet 2 dot sales. Here I have taken this portion, that means the offset. Here I want to go to the next blank row of the row where the data is existed, and kept the variable in B. And here you can see the C, I have taken another variable C, and it will be B to 2 step minus 1. That means it will come to the second row of the sheet 2 after deleting all the rows one by one, minus 1, step minus 1. So when it will come to the second row, it will not delete, because from the second row our data will be inserted. Row, here you can see row C dot select, all rows will be selected, and row C dot entire row dot delete. That means deletion will be done from the bottom to the up to the second row. Up to the second row, that will be deleted. First row will not be deleted, because there will be the heading. You can see here, you can see this row will not be deleted. If I click on this refresh button here. And friends, just going back here, see, just running the program to add, just for instances, see, for friends, add, you can see the total price is 62, and if customer is paid ₹62, and you can give the commodity to items to the customer, handed over the item to the customer, and then you can also give a receipt or payment slip to the customer in this way. Just click on the preview button here. See, like this you can edit the headings, you can edit the logos here. Just for comprehension, I have just give the payment slip like this. Just print out this and the customer will get this, and as soon as the printout will be given, the another thing will be occurred, that is, you can see friends, in the third sheet you can see here, just closing this friends, just for see, this will be automatically entered here, the current date and amount of sale, and the total amount of sale will be important at the time of at the end of the day, and it will be maintained, it will be required for cash balancing. Okay friends, so I have also created this sheet, and the data will come automatically here for each bill, and the total cash balance will be required for at the end of the day, or at the end of any date. So I will show you later. So friends, just preview, and everything will be and the total amount will go to the sheet 3, and the balance, and at the end of the day we will check our balance in our cash balance. So friends, thus if I want to say so friends, here is the preview button here. See, if I want to make another cell, 1 add, C3 add, and let's see another product, egg, 4 add, see preview, that you will see the 133 rupees will also go to our sheet 3, that is the total sale. Here it is the report will be generated after taking the cash, and you can see friends, here you can see sheet 3, again another sale has been done, has come to here, amount of sale. And friends, now I want to show you another thing, that is, if I want to see the today's sale report, just click on this, and this form will be opened, and the current date will be displayed here, view amount, the total amount is 200 rupees so far has been sold items for the items. And if my cash balance also shows 200, that will be and need to the cash balance will also need to show the 200. Okay friends, and for this friends, I have also created another user form. You can see user form 2 here is 1, and user form 2, you can see. Just view the amount. I have taken a text box here and a label here to display the sum total amount sold. Just see the friends, I have used a SUMIF function, that is J. I have taken a variable, and application.worksheet function.SUMIF. If the sheet 3.range A to A, that means the date A to A is equal to the text box 1.value, that means the current date. This is the text box 1 friends. Here, sorry, this is the text box 1, you can see in the user form 2. If this value matches with the value of this column, then the total amount will be calculated. So here, then sheet 3.range B to B will be the sum. This is the SUMIF function. If this matches, that means A colon A of sheet 3, that is the date, where the date will be inserted automatically when I print preview in the user form 1, and sheet and text box box 1 dot value, that means the date will be entered in the text box 1. If this matches with the date, that is existed in the sheet 3 first column, then the sheet 3 second column will be sum. This is the sum if function. And here friends, to display this total amount, level 3 dot caption is equal to, here I have taken rupees within quotes and ampersand for concatenation, and again I have given a space and then again a concatenation operator, that is ampersand j, that means this value total amount, and I have also given a concatenation and given 0.00 within quotes. This is the simple code friends. And then I have also unload user form 2 and user form 2 dot show. And friends, for the better comprehension, in the initialize event I have given this date format, text box 1 dot value. Here you can see text box 1 dot value, or this will be automatically displayed, all time displayed when the form will be loaded. Format, and the date format is dd, mm and yy, current date. Okay friends, so thus friends, I have done this, I have created this software. And friends, again I am at the last I am going to, here in the initialize event, which I told you to explain little later. Now it is the time to explain this. So friends, here sheet 2 need to be cleared all times when the form will be loaded, because we need to prepare our project, our sheet 2, to take another bill, another fresh bill. So at the time of loading, sheet 2 will be automatically cleared friends. So for these friends, I have written this code, same code. Again it will be deleting the rows from the bottom to the up to the second row. The first row, there is the heading friends, I have given the headings, and this is the coding section friends for running this project. And you can run this again. See here friends, if I take another quantity to add, say friends rupees 26, and if I take this product and say 5 add, it has been running some here total price. And again I am taking another product, not till if, yes, it is 4 add 195. If I print preview, the total amount will go to our sheet 3 within the date. So going back here, and today's sale, if I click here, if I want to view this amount, here you can see it has been 395. So the total sale of this 22nd December 2019 is 3095 so far. Thank you friends, thank you very much friends for accompanying with me. And if it is little helpful friends, please subscribe this channel, and it will be a great boost for us to work on Excel VBA more deeply and more user friendly. Thank you friends, thank you very much.